Namaste, my name is Biri Rikam. I read in class 5 of Vivekananda Kendra, DADO. I am really very happy to be part of Arunachal Pradesh Children Literature Festival 2021. Now I am going to introduce a book. My book name is Captain Cool, the MS Dhoni story. It is written by a famous sport writer named Gulu Ezekiel. This book was first published in 2008 by Western Publication Private Limited. This book has 21 content and it has 260 pages. Cost of this book is Rs 399. I like the 10 content of this book. Dhoni is priceless. I like this book very much because it is about my favorite cricketer, MS Dhoni. Captain Cool is about Mahendra Singh Dhoni, then cricketer poster boy. He was born on 7 July 1981 to Pan Singh and Devika Devi. It is also heartwarming to know a boy from Ranchi grew into a worldwide icon and won for India ICC 2020 World Cup in 2007, ICC Cricket World Cup in 2011, ICC Champions Trophy in 2013. Under his captainship, India won ICC Cricket World Cup in 2011. I request you all to read this book. Thank you.